the 12 days of business. You finally made it to day 12, and for day 12 we have one final question. So the enterprise has a negative cash flow for the first 3 months. In column A, give 2 solutions that Damien could use to improve his cash flow. In column B, state one reason why the solution you give would improve the cash flow. Pause the video while you do this, and then unpause to see some suggested answers. So one solution could be that he could increase his selling price. In other words, put up his prices. That'd be a valid answer. The reason why is because that's going to increase the amount of revenue in the business. So as long as the sales remain the same, it'll make more money. Now notice that it's got a technical term revenue in there. That's a good answer because you sort of said it's going to increase revenue. But that's the reason why. That would be 2 marks. The next part could be find a cheaper supplier. The reason why is going to reduce the cost of making each product, which would reduce overall outflows, so long as it doesn't decrease the profit or the quality of the overall business. The other thing you possibly could say is you could also have something like reduce his rent or reduce his other costs, and the reason why clearly is because that's going to reduce outflows overall. But remember, this question is trying to test you to see if you understand that the way to solve a cash flow problem is you either increase your revenue or you decrease your costs. Well done on making it to the end of the 12 days of business. Hopefully you've done really well with this, and if you picked up all the marks, you're well on your way to doing well in the exam. Good luck, everybody.